Please don't give out any information like addresses or phone numbers while the recording is on.
Yes, ma'am.
This goes to the public.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to turn on a recording. All right. Today's date is October 29th, 2021. In Hardeman County, Texas, I call cause number 11930 in the interest of Sarah Gunter. What says this date?
State's ready.
All right. Present by audio and video is Brittany Gunter. Are you ready to proceed, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Also present by audio and video is Robert Gunter. Are you ready, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Ms. Ware, I'm going to ask you to announce the agreement. If both of you will listen carefully, I'll have one or two questions when we're done and see what the agreement is. And then I'll tell you what I'm going to do about the order. Okay, go ahead, Ms. Ware.
I believe the agreement is the following, that Mr. Gunter has a duty to support the child born of the marriage between Brittany and Robert Gunter, that the parties are to be appointed joint managing conservators with Brittany Gunter, the mother, having the right to determine the child's primary residence. The child's residence is currently in Missouri. I got the new address and phone number, and Mr. Gunter also has it, is my understanding from Ms. Gunter. The agreement as to the support issues are that the mother is going to provide health and dental insurance through her employer for the child, which is what she's already doing. She's not requesting any reimbursement from Mr. Gunter for that. Mr. Gunter's guideline child support should be $418 a month, but the parties agree that he should pay $100 a month to child support beginning the 1st of November of 2021 because he pays half the travel expenses for the child. So the parties are, because of that, the parties are requesting a deviation from guideline support for that reason. The order shall state that possession and access for the child will be as mutually agreed upon between the parties. And so far they've been able to work that out. And there's a great distance now between the parties and the child until further order of the court. Ms. Gunter is telling me that she does not request a non-disclosure finding and that the address and phone number and other personal information can be in the court order, and that Mr. Gunter already knows what that is and was provided to him by Ms. Gunter. The state is not seeking any court costs or attorney's fees, and I believe that's the agreement of the parties.
And I'm going to waive court costs since you've both made an agreement in this matter. Ms. Gunter, is that in fact the agreement you're making today?
Yes, ma'am.
And you think it's in Sarah's best interest?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Gunter, is that in fact the agreement you're making, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And you think it's in Sarah's best interest?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because that's who comes first, always Sarah. All right, then I'm approving that agreement. Now, are you two legally married?
Still, yes.
Okay, if one of you files for a divorce at any point, be sure to tell the attorney or anybody working on the case that there is an order in the state of Texas out of Hardeman County, okay? It will
Yes, ma'am.
things easier, a lot easier. If they don't know, it can get a little complicated, but if that's what you decide to do at any point. All right, Ms. Ware's going to prepare that order for my signature. I'm going to sign off on it. There is a period of 3 business days during which anybody can request a new hearing. If you do that, you get a new hearing in front of Judge Byrd, and he would start over and make his own decision. But if nobody does that, this order starts to become final, and you should get a copy within, I'd say, about 2 weeks, either by email or by regular mail. If you don't get your copy by that time, call the Wichita Falls AG's office and just remind them to send you one. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you both so much today. I appreciate all your efforts. Good luck to you and your families.
Thank
right.
you.
Bye-bye.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Okay. Thanks, Ms. Gunter. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mr. Gunter, thank you, sir.
You're very welcome. Thank you.